The Essential Teachings of Minimalism. Minimalism is about simplifying your life to focus on what truly matters. Here are the core principles. Less is more. Quality over quantity. Choose high-quality items over many possessions. Declutter. Regularly remove unnecessary items from your life. Intentional living. Purposeful choices. Be deliberate about what you bring into your life. Mindfulness. Appreciate what you have and stay present. Value experiences. Memories over material. Invest in experiences rather than things. Build relationships. Focus on personal growth and connections. Financial freedom. Live within means. Spend less than you earn and avoid debt. Save and invest. Prioritize long-term financial security. Environmental responsibility. Sustainable choices. Opt for eco-friendly products. Reduce waste. Practice recycling and reusing. Focus on essentials. Identify priorities. Concentrate on what's truly important. Simplify commitments. Limit commitments to those that matter. Embrace minimalist design. Simple aesthetics. Keep spaces clean and uncluttered. Functional spaces. Create functional, not overly decorated areas. Personal growth, self-reflection. Regularly check if your habits align with your values. Well-being. Prioritize your mental, physical, and emotional health. Digital minimalism. Limit screen time. Reduce time on devices and social media. Curate content. Choose digital content that adds value. Community and contribution. Give back. Donate excess items and volunteer your time. Support movements. Engage with communities that promote minimalism. By following these principles, you can create a simpler, more meaningful life, focused on what truly matters.
If you're seeking peace, positivity, and inspiration, you're in the right place. Subscribe to our channel for soothing music, beautiful visuals, motivational content, and much more. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy and positivity.